Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to create a new group in Power BI. We create groups in Power BI whenever we have some similar kind of fields and it is required to put values in some newly created groups. So by that way we will be adding a new column in our existing table. So let me switch to Power BI desktop. This one is my Power BI desktop screen. Here I have already loaded data. I have a customer table. In this table we are having age field and revenue field. So let me switch to data view. So in age field we are having my customer's age. So now our requirement is like I want to add a new group for this age column. And why we want to add, let me switch to report view, and now we will add a tree map. I want to create a tree map for customers age and revenue. So I want to see revenue for respective age. So let me put age under this group and revenue for values. Now this one is my tree map according to current age for customers. So in this visualization, you can see we are having like lots of values present, but my requirement is like I want to create some group for particular interval, like maybe for equal interval or maybe for unequal interval. So that is my requirement here. Like I want to add a new group on age field. So for that purpose, I will select this column age and right click. Now here we are having this new group option. Select that one. It will open a new window to adding groups. For this case, we can add two type of group. First one is list and then bin. When we add list, in this case, we will create new group by adding particular values, or you can say members in a specific group, and we can assign a name for that particular group. And when we add group type as a bin, in bin, we will be creating a bucket size, or you can say a bin for equal size. Okay, so by these two ways, we can add group in Power BI. So first I will explain you about list. Select our list option. Now here we are having ungrouped values. So all values that present in age group are coming here. Now we need to create group from by these values. So how we need to do? First select a value. Now this group button is enabled. Click on this one. So first value is coming here under groups and members. So now here we need to create group and we need to add particular member for respective group. Now this blue rectangular line, in this line we can give a name for our group, and below that we are having members. So now we need to fetch members for this particular group. So let's say I want to put the values from 40 to 46 in this group. Select our values from here and group values. Now again click on this header of this group and now click group option. Now all values from 40 to 46 are coming in my first group. So now I will change name for this one. It will be 40 to 46. So this one is my first list that I have created. Now similarly, I will create more. Select second one. This time I haven't selected anything from here. So it will create automatically a new group. Click on group. So a new group is created, 47. Now we need to fetch values for this group. Click this one. Now I want to put, let's say, 65 in 47. So click on this one. So all values from 47 to 65 are present in my second list. Now I want to add a third list here. Select our value. Now in this one I want to put only these 4 values, 66 to 70. And we'll change name for group. It will be 66 to 70. And now let's say I want to add last group. Excuse me. And this one. I want to put all values in my last group. So in last group, I am having values from 71 to 110. 71, 110. Click on OK. So now these are my groups and particular values. Okay, so those values are saved now. Now you can say a new column is created. Let me switch to data view. So here you can say a new column is added, and according to my values present in age column, a group is defined with respect to every value. Okay, now let me use this new column in my visualization. Now in same visualization, I will delete this age field and I will select our age group. So in this one, you can say it is now very easily understandable that we are having these group like 40 to 46, and total revenue is this one, and 40 now here 47 to 65. So depending on revenue, it these different groups are defined. We can change or we can format these values from this format option also. Let's see if I want to see our data labels. So I will make this on, and I will increase little bit text size for that one. So now you can see our revenue is also marked for particular age group. So this one is like how we can add list. And now one more thing, if you want to make some changes or you want to edit this newly added groups, in that case, select your, you can say this icon. This icon means you have created new group for this particular field. So click, right click, and this time you can say initially we have only new group. Now this time we are having edit groups also. Select this edit group. So again it will open our all our list where we have created our group. Now if we want to remove any group or we want to make some changes, we can do. Let's say if we want to remove some value from here. In that case, you need to select your that particular value. Click on this ungroup. So that value will come out from that particular group. Now if we want to put this value in some separate group, let's say I want to put this in this second group. Okay, then put it here. And now we'll change name, because in this time here my values are 47 to 66, and in second, and in this list it is starting from 67 to 70. Okay, so this is how we can add it to our list. Now you can say that one is changed now, 67 to 70, and this was my is 47 to 66, 40 to 66, 71 to 110. Okay, so this was like how we can add list for particular group. Now next option is adding bin. So for that purpose, again select our original that age field, right click on new group. Now again it will open that towards new window where we can select group type as a bin. And now in bin, we need to give some particular value. Let's say if I want to create a group for bucket size 5. So here every time we can create group for equal number, like for equal interval, we can create new group. So I will select 5, and if I will click on OK, now you can see a new group is added here. This one is age bin. Let me switch to data view. Here you can see a new column is added here. So in this case, we are having 56 in 55 we are having 55 also in 55, 44 in 40. So what it has done, our values like from 40 to 44 are coming under 40 group, 46 to 49 are coming in 45. Okay, so by that way, like for 5 into 4, 5 numbers, they have created buckets. Now if I will switch to report view, and here in place of this age group, I will select our bin size. Okay, so now you can see here we can see our values according to like in 50, 55, 60, 45. So all values are present for interval 5. Same we can edit these values also. For that purpose, same we need to select this age bin size newly added group, right click and go to this edit option. And now if we want to increase or decrease our bin size, then we can change. Let's say if I will put it like 10, click on OK. Okay, now our visualization is changed. And our A's are again added at the interval of 10. Okay, so this was like how we can add new group in Power BI. I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching.